Bury me deep underneath everything I keep inside. Pretty little smile hides every tear behind my eyes. I've held my breath since I was young. I bit my tongue since I was young, to stop myself from rambling on the thoughts I want to ramble on. Just because I let it slide doesn't mean it isn't pulling on my heart till it's almost white. 'Cause I wanna let you feel strong. Pretty little smile hides every tear behind my eyes. Gave away my power till I was weak between my knees and fell against my will. Woke up hungry, I need to feed my ego pride, so I don't lie awake at night, wondering why the days go by with captured thoughts upon my mind.
Rolls down my soul, save my life, give me time to walk down my soul. Used to rush, I'ma fight. Go and give me all your fight. It's all I need. I just wanna feel your light. It's all I need. And I just want you on my side. So tell me will you be alright? Go and give me all your fight. minutes left, don't speak my mind enough. I'm trying to keep pushing on me, boundaries break like all the time. Yeah, I just gotta hold on, ground to stand on. You push me in this friction, just go ahead, give me all your fight. It's all I need. I just wanna feel you like it's all I need. And I just want you on my side. So tell me, will you be alright? I've been all alone. Whoa, oh, so alone. And if it broke for you, would you leave me to my doom? Yeah. I've been all alone. Whoa, oh, so alone. And if it broke for you, would you lead me to my doom? Yeah. What's on your mind? Don't be polite. I can give you what you want. Let your eyes rest on mine. Do you like playing dirty? Don't care if you hurt me, 'cause I'm way too numb, but obsessed with the feeling of faking it to feel like love, faking it to feel like we're so damn high above the ground. Breathe you in and breathe you out. We built another in the clouds. Let me lay you down. Body language on me tells me to be unholy. I'm not religious, but you got me speaking in tongues. I hope God's not one to judge, that I can make you confess your sins to me. Just be quiet when you scream. Bet you thought you'd never say the words you've written on your face, but you talk in your sleep, so just bite your cheek. Don't need your voice, just your tongue all over me. We're so damn high above the ground. Breathe you in and breathe you out. We built another in the clouds. Let me lay you down. Body language on me tells me to be unholy. I'm not religious, but you got me speaking in tongues. I hope God's not one to judge, that I can make you confess your sins to me. Just be quiet when you scream. I can tell you kinda like it. I don't think we need to hide it. It feels good when we don't fight it. I'll be
the night. Body language on me tells me to be unholy. On my religious blood, got me speaking in tongues. I hope God's not one to judge, that I can make you confess your sins to me. Just be quiet when you scream. Hide quickly, there's a ghost around the corner and it knows me. Stay inside, find a light. There's a monster in the darkness next to me. My eyes are open, but I am frozen. I hear the shadows, I hear the screams. The nightmares come out to play at night. They bring out the fear inside. They come out to play my mind. And I hope they're ready for a fight, 'cause they have no place to hide. I'll look 'em dead in the eye, 'cause in the night I come alive. If I'm awake, they'll come and get me. So I pray I'll never find myself